everyone, I'm Shaurya Beniwal and today me and my friend Satvik Bhusana will explain to you the Smart Solar Extractor or the SSE for short.
Hello everyone, I am Satvik, presenting to you the Smart Solar Extractor. This is the ultimate design. It's the most a solar panel can have. It takes the capacities of a solar panel to the next level. It is built that it can get the most of what a solar panel could do. It efficiently receives most of the sunlight, though it may be any time in the day. It also receives sunlight even during sunset or sunrise. To bring the power to its extreme, there are some lenses and mirrors put to trap sunlight and maximize the number of photons which will hit the solar cell present inside. And to make it even more efficient, there are some electronic batteries, amplifiers which is present too. Now let's talk about the structure. The structure mainly has a truncated octahedron with some polycups on some of its hexagonal faces. The octahedron mainly works of providing a strong and efficient base for the structure and as a container for the electronics. Here in the polycups, the translucent cover represents convex lenses. The white sides of the polycups expresses mirrors and the purple face symbolizes a solar cell. The green colored sockets will contain photodiodes. The electronic components will be fit inside the octahedron and the output of extreme power will be at the base. Let us look at the design. Here the green sockets are the photodiodes and the reflective surfaces above are the convex lenses and the black color body is the truncated octahedron. Here will be the output at the bottom. So with this, we are going to end our presentation. Thank you.